Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start a Mazda CX-9. Place the transmission in park, press and hold the brake pedal, and either insert the key or have the key fob inside the cabin. If you have a push-button start, press the button while holding the brake until the engine fires. Release the brake slowly and confirm all dashboard lights go out. If the engine fails to start, try a second attempt before troubleshooting. Begin by confirming the car is in park and the parking brake is set for safety. With the key fob present, press the brake and push the start button or turn the key to crank the engine. Listen for normal starter engagement and fuel pump priming sounds. If the engine does not catch, pause briefly and attempt a second start. Avoid excessive cranking. Allow a few seconds between attempts to protect the starter motor. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for long waits or road trips, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that makes reading on the go a breeze. It's lightweight and perfect for keeping manuals or novels handy during travel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your Mazda CX-9 struggles to start with the battery and key fob as common culprits. Test interior lights and horn to check battery strength, and replace the fob battery if detection is intermittent. Listen for clicking that signals a weak battery or a failing starter. If warning lights persist after starting, record the light pattern and consult your owner manual or a technician for diagnostics. Regular maintenance prevents most starting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.